are putting in place a system of ensuring that there is dignified exit of everybody who serve Kenyans in the judiciary. And we hope the rest of the government will follow suit, because days are gone when people serve and then they are chased away as if they are dirty dogs. That is history. We celebrate everybody who has served this judiciary, because the work that we are lining on today has the footprints of even those who retired many, many years ago, what they dreamt, what they kept on doing, in the precedents of the cases that we keep on applying and repeating, and we celebrate them every day. Thank you, all of you, for the support you have given us. And I thank each one of you for joining the judiciary today for this very historic event, a day when we not only take stock of our journey, but also chart a very decisive way forward in our unwavering pursuit of promoting access to justice across our beloved country. Our vision is to create a people-centered justice system, a system that truly understands and serves the justice needs, capabilities, and aspirations of our people. And this vision is informed by the mission over the last 2 years, which has been focused on expanding, enhancing, and improving access to justice. We are, all of us, not only the judiciary, but all the state actors and our people, court users, committees, and stakeholders, transforming the landscape of justice in Kenya, making it more inclusive and efficient. We are committed to ensuring that no one, especially the 20 million who have been excluded from formal justice system, is left behind. When we were developing these documents, we wanted to say we will meet the justice needs of all Kenyans. And some of us kept on reminding us, we are not God. We cannot meet all the needs. So we are also inviting God in our midst to help us meet the needs, the justice needs of all our people.